Good day, good evening, good afternoon. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in with you from BFN, the Business Financial Network. And wow, it is an interesting Sunday as I sit here and I do some analysis. I want to talk to you guys a bit about this unbelievable rocket ship by the name of Tesla. So I'm sure you guys have heard Tesla is doing unbelievable. The stock has had an incredible run. It's topped off on Friday there at $880. I believe last year it started off, I think it's slow climb at 400, and now in 2021 it is sitting double that. Now, a lot of people want to know what's going on here. Like, what is the actual reason for, this incredible climb? Well, I want to show you guys a little bit about what I'm talking about here about Tesla. So let's just check it out, what I found out. I don't know if you guys are aware or not. Have you guys heard of the dark pool? Well, I'm going to talk to you guys a bit about that dark pool right about now. Where is that tab? Okay, there we go. Let's bring this up right now. Dark pool. I thought I had that tab open. So, the dark pool. A dark pool is a privately organized financial forum or exchange for trading securities. Dark pools allow institutional investors to trade without exposure until after the trade has been executed and reported. You got to really ask yourself a question here. When you're dealing with such a large capital company, why would they need to be trading large blocks of stock privately? Well, let's get into that. A really good member of ours and a close friend was sharing some of this information with me. And as you can see right here, this is the transactions, the dark pool transactions on Tesla stock from December 9th all the way to January 6th, 2021. And as you can see here, these orange bars here, they indicate the size and the price in which Tesla was bought and sold privately in these dark pool transactions. Now look at these transactions here. Look at the size. We're looking at 21 million, 21.5 million, 8.51 million, 6.35 million, 4.76 million, 3.38 million, right? These are huge numbers. Then let's move right along. These are all the dark pool transactions. Now look at these prices. Which institution's trading 116 million Tesla stock at that price? Which financial institution is trading $217 million worth of Tesla stock at that price? Better yet, let's sit back and look at this one. Look at this. So this is from the 4th and the 5th and the 6th. And again, all these orange indicators are dark pool transactions in terms of size and price. Now you're going to be asking yourself a question here. When Tesla became part of the S&P 500, any major institution, the JP Morgans, the Goldman Sachs, the Oppenheimers, right, the Credit Suisse, all these big institutional banks, they have to reluctantly buy Tesla if they plan on beating the S&P 500. So this is really imperative information that most of the public doesn't get a chance to get to know. And when you don't get to know this type of information, you're basically going in there and blind. So here at BFN in our private trading group, we really enjoy sharing the information with the public, right? We really want the public to know more about what's happening with these stocks on an institutional level, on a dark pool level. Why? You could ask yourself a question. When these banks are buying these securities at these really high levels in large blocks, and they're doing it privately, and all of a sudden you're seeing these stocks have crazy uptrends, you need to ask yourself, do you think they plan on losing? I don't think so. So we here at BFN, we're in the mindset of, when we sit back and we see some of these dark pool transactions and we see people buying puts, not people, institutions, huge institutions, buying puts on Tesla at $1,500, I don't believe, and to the tune of 20 million, I don't believe they're planning on losing on those puts. Do I believe there'll be a retrace? Yeah. I think it'll be around 989, 1,000. There's going to be a bit of a retrace. Do I think that this has a potential of going to $1,500? Yes. Do I know when? No. And I know that these big banks, they don't plan on failing anytime soon. So when you sit back and you look at all this information that's being shared with the public, and then what information's not being shared with the public, and that these institutions are basically doing behind the scenes, and then all of a sudden you get a chance to see the transactions, this is where traders and people in our private trading community go out there, and we really make the effort to have our community and the public and the audience know what's going on there with these huge moves with these large cap companies. Well, thank you very much today for spending the time on this beautiful Sunday to watch and spend time here with me and Rambo. And make sure you spend the time to do your due diligence. We are not financial advisors here. This is only purely for entertainment, education, and hopefully empowerment purposes for you to build your trading confidence. God bless. This is Roger Chowdhury signing off at the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Take care. Bye-bye.